So it is almost Christmas. We haven't even hit Thanksgiving yet, but it's almost Christmas, and we got a lot of decor over here. I'm thinking this year I may want to do, I've done orange, I've done green, I've done red and gold, black and white. I did pink last year, I did a whole pinkness theme. But I think I want to stick to maybe like the burnt orange and blue. So I already have orange ornaments. I'm trying to see, do we want to add a little blue to mix in with the color I transitioned to fall, my fall decor into last year? Well, a year before last. I did more of like this color orange, like a rusted orange and brown kind of color. But I kind of want to incorporate, like, see how this blanket has like the blues and orange together? This is how my living room decor looks now. Oh, and it's bluey. My little cousin would like this. And it's fall. Her mama probably be like, Jessica, leave it at the stove. But yeah, I want to do like the blues and oranges together. So if we find maybe a blue throw, kind of like this color, or ornaments like this color, that would be great. Because we already have the orange, so we don't have to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh, look at this blue. This is even cute. Look at that blue. Now, we don't need no luggage right now, but if we could find an ornament that color, that would be perfect. And a blanket, possibly. All of these are like fall color. Ooh, look at this bow. Last year, I think I got it for Burlington's. I did a pink. We're going to do silver? No, Jessica, no, we're not doing silver. We're going to do gold because we already have it. Just stick to the golds. Let's keep looking. It's cute for $19.99. It's like a soft blue and golds, but I want it to be a little bit more brighter. Ooh. Wait a minute, we may have something. It's a 50 pack for $16.99. Ooh, this is cute. This may be it, y'all. And it got gold in it too. And it has like a dark blue and light blue. Let's add this in the pocket. More, they have black and gold. They have red and gold. I wonder what else they got. Yeah, wrapping paper. Uh-oh, that's $99. These are tiny. Like if you had like the smaller trees, this would be cute. 27 pieces. $10 for 27 pieces. This is my first day shopping for Christmas because the gold, at first I was like, we're not gonna do that. We're not changing nothing. Let's do the orange again. But I think I want to switch it up. This is cute. The star. It's a big star. The price tag is missing. Look at the star, guys. This actually smells good. It's called Sunshine Love. It smells like it got like a peach. I like it. What else? Ooh, this is pretty. This is big. Hold on. This is called Moonlight Crystal Pink Pike and Rose. Dolce and Gabbana. It's light blue. Dolce and Gabbana light blue. Doesn't stink, but it's very there. Let's see what we do. Let's snip this. Let's do evening teak wood. Nope. We don't want that. It's called Winter Pine. Nope. This gives you like Christmas tree. Like when we were younger and my mom would get a real Christmas tree. Them little pad. Listen. It's cute with the little present on top. It smells just like that. So if you really love like the smell of a Christmas tree, get this. It's called, let's turn this way. Winter Pine. But we're not in here for that, Jessica. We're sticking to the plan. The ornaments and possibly find a throw blanket and we done. Because I want to put up my tree this weekend. That's another reason why I'm here. So let's go see if we can find some throws and get out of here. soft blue. This is a king size. Not bad. I like this blue, but why they have to be patterned? Like this as a solid would have been perfect. Ooh, wait a minute, y'all. This $16.99. It's a pretty blue. Is it too dark? Let's see. The other day, it decided to snow. We should probably get us some boots. Let's see. These are cute. I really like those shoes, so I just asked one of the sales associates if she could help me find it in the 9, because that was an 8.5, and on my right foot. That's how I said, let me try on both of them. It's a little tight. I was like, I feel like I get tired of those charms on the front. I'm like, I really want to wear them all the time. Oh, she can find it in a 10 or a 9. Let me go past you. See if I see it over here. So I just asked her, and she's helping me look. These are cute too, but they got flowers. I love them for it, but I don't know if I would want to wear that, you know. Let's check this one out. And then I saw these, and I was, not these. It's not it, it's on the other shelf. Ooh, what's this? What size is this one? Found one. That's the same one, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this one on. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you're in need help with anything else, just let me know.
Okay. She was nice. Okay, we're gonna try. See, I was over here in the size 10, and it was all the way at the bottom. So we're gonna try the 9 on. And if the 9 fit, we good. Because I like them a lot. I'll be back. I will go in and make it. But we need to be up there. We have some new products that we've been trying out that we like, that I would like to repurchase because I guess I'll just show you guys what this. Oh, girl, I done came out my shoe again. I think it's time to go. All right, guys, what's up, guys? We are in another burger today. The goal is to see if we can find a blue throw. So we're trying to see. Now, we ain't supposed to be over here by the jewelry. But look at this brooch. This is pretty. Okay, guys. I just went back and I started looking inside of the necklace. Look, y'all. Do y'all see this? It is $24.99. I think this is the right blue. Because this is like a bluish gray. It almost look green on here. This is blue. This is the other blue. Like, I like this blue, but I feel like it's too dark. I think we got a blanket, guys. I was looking for some more pillow covers, but I don't see any. There's this blue. But I think we found the match. This would be cute. It's a throw. And then we got the orange and stuff already. I wish there was some pillowcases. All these is like colors I don't need. So, but we got this one, so we'll go check it out. Yeah, so are we gonna do orange and blue this year? Or are we gonna do different shades of blue this year in gold and white? I love gold accessories, so I'm gonna always do gold no matter what color I choose. But are we gonna do one color or two colors? Should we do one color? Should we mix color? That orange was fire. Like that burnt orange, rusted, like brown looking color was really, 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 really cute. And I love the color it looks like right now on my couch, which is what was the inspiration behind why I wanted to do blue and orange. But we are in Popeyes drive-through now. Looks like I just showed y'all they do. It's called the big box, the $6 big box, and you can add $2 for a large side. I mean, $2 for a large drink. I say a large side, child. It comes with a 2-piece, 2 sides, and a biscuit. I want an extra biscuit with a little honey. We're not gonna do it though. We're not gonna do it. we gonna stick to the one that they give us. With the one that comes with the special. Maybe Popeyes is popping tonight.
Popeyes, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get the $6 big box?
Okay, you want the tender or the chicken?
The chicken.
Mild or spicy?
Can I get mild white?
Mild white, okay. And for the side order?
Can I have macaroni and french fries, please?
No?
That's all.
$7.20.
Okay, thank you. And the goal was not to eat restaurant this week, but today Friday. We ate at home all week long. We prepped. I need to figure out what's the meals for this week. I really have a taste for some salad. I have to actually get up early because I have a training to go to. A work training actually, but on a Saturday. Oh, baby. I think it's bedtime. Yeah. I don't know what sleep just hit me real quick. I had all this energy in the stove, and now your girl is dead. The light blue color. And this is the, I think it matches. It matches perfect. Do you hear me? Perfect. Look at that, y'all. I was actually a little tired, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up tonight. And tomorrow after my training, the music on, and then set up this Christmas tree in my living room decor. Put my little trinkets and things out so we can get into the holiday spirit. That's a wrap, baby. Dark blues, the light blues, sky blues. I'm gonna figure this out. And when I get home and do this tree, then you guys will know like what was finalized, if we took anything back, or if we just swapped out, or we used everything. I don't know. Because I could also put those pillow covers on my bed too. We're gonna figure it out. I remember these. I used to like the little Romeo ones. I wonder if they got them. Yo, I would've gone to it. These right here, baby, at Dollar Tree. I should get a bag just for nostalgia purposes. I wonder if they still taste the same. Do I need these chips? Girl, no. Just, you don't need these chips.